Hey y'all, it's Yvette. I know it's been like forever and a day. Jellybean is here, so I think you know that I'm going to be opening the cat lady box. So, I had some stuff go on. I had to cancel everything that I had a subscription to. And I'm in the process right now of getting some stuff restarted. But in the meantime, this particular box is the Cat Lady box for May, which is Mother's Day box. Jellybean is excited because you can smell a nip. But I just want to say thank you so much to Stephanie because she sent this box to me, and I'm very grateful. So thank you so much. And Jellybean is very happy. We're going to get this open. Okay. I cut the tape. And now here we go. Here's the inside. And, okay, JB. Hold on. Let mommy put this so that it's not knocking you down. Okay. You got the perfect gift. Oh, and she put on it to Yvette Niesel. Enjoy a few months on me. The crazy cat lady needs her Mama's Day box. Okay, so Jellybean. Hold on, baby. Apparently I'll get a few. I have no idea. So, anyway, of course he's taking a nap now. Here's the artwork for May. The featured cat lady artist. I can't even talk. Okay. The featured cat lady artist is Elizabeth Anderson Art. Jellybean, what are you doing, baby? He's gonna he's messing up all the stuff. Alright, so I don't want to look at everything on there. We're gonna go one at a time at whatever I can get out of here from underneath him. Okay, so my baby. Oh my goodness. Look at this, you guys. Key to Meow Heart. It's a little key. And that is the toy for the kids. It's got a little catnip in it. Do you like that? Hold on, let mommy get the tags off. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ugh. I don't even know what to say right now. I know that you guys all think I'm crazy. That's okay, because I am. I'm going to take all the stuff off here. And here it is. Up close and personal. He's got a little loose thread. Hold on, because, you know, I'm a quilter. I got these special scissors that can get that right where it is. Did I get that? I think my fingernail got in the way. Okay, now he's all fixed. And there he is, a little key to Meow Heart. Look, JB. Look, buddy. Do you like it? Just a key to Mommy's heart. Okay, I need something out of there. Hold on, okay, this is the next thing. I'm just gonna yank it out. Oh my goodness, what is this? Barbara the sheep. I love you, it says. Look. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. And look, it's a little sheep. He's got another little, hold up. I feel like I gotta get it all cleaned up. But get him all cleaned up. He's got a lot of fur, extra fur somewhere. Oop. Okay, I'm gonna take the tag off. Although I have to say, these tags, they're so cute. They're like adorable. Even the tags. Okay, I can feel it coming out the back. Or is it? I feel like I'm getting it. Wait. Did it come off of there? there's that. Nope, hasn't come off. Hold on. I feel like it went inside the thing. Okay, I'm gonna have to just act like it's not there no more. Because I can feel it right here, but I can't. The other side, the back side, like went inside the... Okay, that's gonna make me nuts. So I'm gonna try not to play with it. There it is. There he is. He's a little guy. You want him? Yeah, he's excited. He's like, that smells like nip. That's nip, Mom! Snip! Oh! He's gonna come flying out of there. Okay. What is this? It's pink, whatever it is. It says meow on the back. This is it. It looks like a little pouch. Let me see here. I might have to turn that over to make sure I say what it is right. It looks like a little travel bag, maybe. Yeah, look, it's a little box bag. And it says meow right there. And it's all lined, so you could put like makeup, shampoo, deodorant, whatever you want in there. Oh, that's cute. And it's pink. Can't go wrong with that. Very, very cute. Okay, let me set that down. And let me see what it says about that. Meow Zip Pouch. Valued at $19.99. Tuck away your necessities like cat treats or makeup in this Meowvelous vegan leather zippered pouch. Meow. Me wow. Me wow. Okay. Okay. All right, buddy. Hold on. Mommy's trying to get stuff out of here. What is this? What's this, bud? Oh, wait. That's for you. Okay. Here's something. It's mushy, so... What does it say on here? Ooh, Cuddly Cat Throw Pillow. Toss this cuddly, soft kitty on your couch or bed for the perfect cat mom decor. Valued $13.99. Oh my goodness. Look, you guys. He's been in a bag, but if we, like, rough him up a little bit. Look how cute that is. And he's all soft and mushy. You know the cats are going to take this from me. I'm not going to get this. Oh my goodness. I love it. Look, buddy. It doesn't have nip in it. Oh, you got a little thing on your head. It's okay. Somebody's getting lots of kisses right now. And I'm talking about me. Okay. So I'm going to put that right there for a second. Now we've got... Oh, that's all of y'all. Ooh! Jewelry. It says... It's a meow block letter ring, valued at $19.99. It is lead and nickel free. It's a sweet silver ring to wear as a constant reminder of your love for your kitty kids. And it's here, and it's got like this. It's like you can size it, so like it opens. I'll show you in a second. Hold on. So I get it out of there. So, you can see that it says meow, maybe. It does. It says meow. And you can size it. So you can make it bigger or smaller. Bigger if you're me, because I got big old fingers. Look, it goes to here. I don't know if I can get it any bigger than that without making it, like, not look right. Yeah, I have very big fingers. It's okay. I don't mind. But it does make it so that you can't do a whole bunch of stuff. Maybe I could just wear it there. Meow. Or I could find somebody with really tiny fingers. I mean, it fits on my pinky, but then it would fall off. I could feel like it would fall off. And it sort of fits on my ring finger on my right hand. It's just like when it's like that, I have had it before where it gets pinched. So I'm not sure I would want to do that. But y'all, I think it's so super cute. Maybe Jellybean will wear it. What you think, JB? You want to wear a ring? All right, and then y'all know my fave part, and anyone who really knows me knows this is true. I wear all of these shirts. We got a t-shirt, and this one says, "My kids have paws." And it's this lovely blue with the pink. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. My kids have paws. Yes, they do. Anyway, here I am trying to fight for camera time with JB. Y'all know that's like impossible whenever the cat lady box is here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I promise I'm going to try to get more content out there. And I will see you guys soon. Hey, buddy. Did you have fun? Do you like everything? He loves it. Bye, you guys. Mwah. Is Daddy home? Is that what that noise was? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Are you going to stay in the box all night? You just want to stay there? Yeah. You're very handsome, sweetheart. Yes, you are. Mommy thinks you're very handsome. I know you think it doesn't count if Mommy says it, but I think it does.